Hello brossies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to replace this one because it's already broken. Look at that, it's gone. Look, see, it's gone. Alright, need to remove this. Now I bought this one. Let me just check. Okay, let's see if this is the same one. See, it's supposed to be like that or like this. This one here must be going inside. This one like that, must be like that. Okay, so we need to remove this one here. Okay brossies, now we need these tools. Invest it, okay. All right. Now you need a air compressor. Also you need this. You need this too. Dust cleaner, multi, okay? So you can see this one need to be like this. This one we need to remove that, but first we need to put it on like this. Okay, we need to put this one So we have room. There you go. Oops. Okay. Okay, that's done. Okay. Now we need to remove this. Okay. Okay, brosis. Now we've done it. We put a little bit glue here on this side so that it doesn't pop up. Only this side and all the way. Look at that. See? Look at that. You can see. This one I have also put a super glue here on this side. Wasn't actually straight. But it's okay. It's only on that side. Look at that one. Ooh, beautiful, huh? Look. See? Alright, bro, sis, that's what we did. It took us only 10 minutes to do it. Actually 15 minutes. Anyway, that's done. Okay, okay. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?